Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Honor X7a, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. To do it, just remember one rule: never fill up your storage over than 70%. So, firstly, open the settings and find storage here. And as you can see, I have used only 25 gigabytes. But if you will fill up your storage over than 70%, your device will start to slowing down. You need to remember about it, and if you have filled up your storage, just remove unused apps and old photos and videos. You can transfer it to the cloud storage, for example, or for your hard drive, flash drive, I don't know, but you need to free up the space on your device, because if you have no enough space on your smartphone, so all boosting methods are useless for you. So firstly, you need to have 30% of free storage. Great. The next step is to release RAM. So to release RAM, you need to swipe from down to up and hold it, then click on the bin button, and in this way you will, as you can see, I have free up 200 of megabytes my RAM, because all processors are running at the moment are running in RAM. So here again, the winner is one who invests in a device with more temporary storage. But if you have less temporary storage as you need, so you can just remove applications from the RAM from time to time, twice a day or several times a day. I don't know how many times you need to clear it. Great. And the last step you can do is to remove junk files from your device. To do it, you just need to find the application what will help you to improve your system stability. In our case, it's System Manager. So open it and click Cleanup. Here you will see junk files. You can see now I have 600 megabytes of junk files. So just click Cleanup, wait a while, and great, 600 megabytes was cleared from my device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.